Well, good day to you from a beautiful Banff, Alberta, Canada, where I've got a gorgeous mountain behind me. This is Cascade Mountain behind me that I had the good fortune to climb to the top of a couple of years ago. And in today's newsletter, I want to talk about friendships, and I also want to talk about slowing down and actually meditation, because it seems to me like the turmoil we're experiencing in the world at the moment, that is deeply painful and causing a lot of grief for a lot of people in a lot of ways, is directly connected to a pretty big energetic shift that I have been told by a number of people, and also a deep sense of intuition, we are undergoing right now. And perhaps in reading this, you also get a sense that there must be some kind of shift going on for us to be going through such heaviness and difficult times right now. And so I just want to share that one thing that has been profoundly supportive for me in recent months, that's leading to very positive explosions in my professional life and great relief in my personal life as well, has been meditation. And so now meditation is something I have flirted with for many years and done little bits and pieces here and there, but I now have a pretty consistent meditation practice where I'll sit just in silence for about 15 minutes a day. And my invitation is for you to experiment with meditating, whether it's 5 minutes a day, whether it's using an app like Headspace or Insight Timer to just sit in silence, or with music, whatever works for you. But to start to flex that muscle, because I do firmly believe that by working on our mindfulness practices, we're improving our capacity to not only survive through these huge times of change and transition and darkness, but actually to thrive through them, which is what I believe I'm experiencing. So that's one offer I have for you, is to revisit your meditation practice. And if you've never meditated before, give it a try and see how sitting in stillness can improve your life. By the way, I'm not afraid to say that if I sit for about 15 minutes a day in stillness, my brain is usually quite active for at least the first 10 minutes of those 15 minutes. And that's okay, I sit with it, but very regularly, look at these cute kids, very regularly, hello tiny people, after a few minutes, after that first 10 minutes or so of brain dancing, then my mind slows down and I gain insights. I actually believe there are phenomenal insights hiding in meditation for each of us. So that's my wish for you to explore. And the other thing I want to mention and celebrate is friendships. On this trip, I've had a wonderful opportunity to visit close friends, and just recently had a wonderful lunch with my dear friend Silke here in Canmore, where she treated me to a beautiful 3-course lunch. And to be able to spend time with friends while I'm on the road, even though this is my home, but I'm spending time in Ontario right now, is, I believe, a true blessing not to be taken for granted. So if there are friends in your life who you have easy access to, but you just haven't made the time because other life priorities have either gotten in the way, or you just haven't thought to make the time, my invitation around friendships is also that you find the time, you make the time to connect with those people who are important to you in your life. Because we never know what's ahead for us in life, and life is fragile. So those are my wishes for you as I stand here on Bear Street in beautiful Banff Avenue, about to meet Richard for a podcast interview. I just feel so full of gratitude to be experiencing this life experience, and I wish you mindfulness and friendship in the upcoming week. All the best. I'm Tony Estevez, the Human Connection Guide. We'll see you again. Oh, and by the way, I'm transmitting this while I'm free from my phone. I accidentally left my phone in Ontario for this trip, and I just have to report that it's been a little bit challenging to begin with, because I had lots of logistics and meetings and appointments on this trip, and I hosted my first Human Connection Circles event, which I'm so proud of. That went really wonderfully, and I did all this without a phone. Can you imagine? Just good old-fashioned email. So thanks for having me disconnected. Okay, bye for now. See ya.